Sino sa inyo ang hindi nag-alarm clock kanina? Pero nandito tayo. Why? Because there's a reason. Because you know that there is a goal. And you know, the goal for today is this: to build community. That's how we should treat our communities. We treat everyone with heart. So use your heart today. Are you with me? Yes! Let's connect.
Thank you so much. Everyone, happy Monday to all of you.
We are so glad that we were able to come in this event. Welcome to our
first Community Leadership Summit here at Cambridge University Press and Assessment, Manila. With the theme, Align, Empower, and Grow. I'm Andrea, together with
Z,
and kami ang host niyo for today. Okay, simple lang naman yung icebreaker natin. I think we're all familiar with the game, Bring Me.
We are a community of Agile practitioners who lead the way in championing Agile values and continuous improvement in the organization.
For the Dev Guild, we're a community of group of developers or engineers in Manila. So that also includes data disciplines, data engineering, software development, and database is also included in mobile development.
Hello everyone, I'm Luis. So introducing the Generative AI Guild. It's also a vibrant community dedicated to exploring and advancing generative AI across our organization.
And we are trying to present a safe space wherein we are able to explore things. We welcome all people who is interested in quality and testing to develop a community here in Cambridge. So that is our QA Guild. Thank you.
So for Eco Warriors, our vision is actually to increase awareness and help minimize the negative impacts of different activities.
We're the Pride Network, so we are a global staff network. Naka-highlight yung global because we are the representative of the overall global staff network of Pride. Obviously, from the name itself, we try to empower people from the LGBTQIA+ community, but everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome to be an ally of the community.
So we're a volunteer-led community that conducts an annual tournament for all employees, regardless of skill level, whether you're a beginner or an advanced beginner.
Hello, good morning. So we are part of the Toastmasters International that was founded by Ramses Mendy. And our mission is to empower individuals to become an effective communicators and of course, leaders.
Ang ginagawa namin ngayon particularly is to have or to share yung ginagawa ng aming network, particularly helping people identify as a carer, because in our culture we believe na maraming carers natin hindi natin alam na carers tayo.
Kailangan sa gitna lang po.
Then, the Basketball League began its journey in 2014. So, yun, nag-start 4 teams, around 7 to 9 players lang. And then eventually, yearly nagkaroon na siya hanggang sa lumaki na. So
we are the tabletop club enthusiasts. So tabletop is tabletop. So anything you play on top of a table. So mostly your card games, board games, kasama namin yung mga creative art games, Pokemon, UFG, kung merong Beyblade enthusiast, welcome din po kayo sa mga kasi it's played on paintball.
Hello, hi, good morning everyone. So I'm Ellen. I'm one of the co-chair of the Healthy Mind Network and Wellbeing. That this organization, Cambridge, prioritize mental health and offers safe space through discussion and events. So we have, of course, similar goals with others that we want everyone to be to promote wellness, but this time it's more of the mental well-being of the employees.
I'm Maya, and I'm the Central UX team lead, and I'm going to represent Book and Journal Club. So as the name says, we are a community of book and journal enthusiasts. We come together to explore ideas, reflect, and share perspectives in an inclusive environment.
I'm Joanna from Early Careers Community. So we're a global inclusive group supporting colleagues in the early stages of their careers or those navigating career changes at CUBA. So we're also a global staff network.
We're champions to advocate for inclusive and accessible digital experience across our organization.
Women in Manila was founded 2020 during the height of pandemic, collaborating with women in tech. There's one goal to build a community here to foster career growth, especially in Manila.
So give yourself a round of applause. So going around, going above and beyond and building the communities that you are very passionate about.
This is also one of the ways that we can get a lot of ideas. So how can members contribute?
Sabihin nila, hindi na kami pwede dyan kasi early careers na. Or kahit tenured ka, pwede ka, regardless of age. As long as you consider yourself na
main ethos would be EDIB, so it's sort of aligning to that. Number two, we are also a community that offers resources and support.
Kami ng system sa amin. So may core team, may full-time volunteers, and merong part-time volunteers. How do you define a community? It's just relationships of care, held together by a sense of kinship and mutual support.
To all those who helped make it happen and today's speakers. The guilds and staff networks in Manila are key to the sense of community and collaboration.
This certificate is presented to Andrea J. Malahaja for hosting her first community leadership summit. Trump Saimel Sembrano, of course, for hosting our first community leadership summit.